You have this crazy chicken silly putty, but I already got some silly putty. This is Play-Doh. Wow, this was really cool. And here's a Play-Doh ice cream set. There's the Play-Doh dog set. And here's crazy Crackle clay. Pop crackles. Let's see. Try to keep it with the Play-Doh stuff. There's a Play-Doh space set. There's Play-Doh treasure. Kitchen. Pizza. Who's that? Crazy cut stylist. There's another kitchen. There's a barbecue grill. There's a dino crew. This is Nickelodeon slime. Butter slime rainbow cake surprise. And here's the glitter waffle maker. Four-in-one variety pack. Look at this one. $6.99. Is that it? This would be good for Halloween. It's a Play-Doh spider maker. Makes spiders and webs. Bats. Pre-made Nickelodeon slime. All different colors. Have pink and blue and purple, lavender, green. Yeah, shape and decorate. Create your own play puppies. And they also have dinosaurs. Create your own dinosaurs. Let's see if they have any other ones here. I just see dinosaurs and puppies. Makes food. Shapes. There's one. This is a mouth one, a dentist, drill and fill dentist. This says burger barbecue. And then up there, you have dough kitchen. You make all kinds of stuff with dough. Minnie's Deluxe kitchen. Let's see. We have regular Play-Doh, all different colors, the shapes. Let's see. Softy dough, Play-Doh. But it looks like it makes